this up. Do you have any theories on why Captain Crunch is the most popular flavor? Or what makes a cereal flavor more popular?
I think that it's up to the person that decides the destiny of a flavor. Look, obviously there's a hype when you announce something is number one. Everyone wants a gun for number one, and number one could just by the sheer confident. Everyone, you work off confidence. They always tell you that when you're shooting a foul shot, and you want to make it, you have to imagine yourself the ball going in the hoop. You want to win, you got to imagine yourself winning, and that's the idea of a winner. So it could be the addition of the hype of it, but I think the foundation of this flavor is just it just works perfectly. The cereal translates perfectly with the ice cream. Not everything does that, and that's just the way life goes. It's the properties of the different cereals, but this one specifically, it wasn't always a constant flavor. Originally the plan was, oh, it's a great wholesale flavor. I would rotate different flavors. I'm like, when I started working the store, I said, what am I doing? Why am I rotating a Captain Crunch in and out? That's a very highly requested flavor. So the key is to listen to what the customer is looking at. You can't listen to everything. I'm making a sugar-free ice cream now for somebody who's very sick, and we're gonna make this flavor. It's kale's gonna be in there, and it's for somebody who's really sick. And we're doing it, this is going to be their food that they're going to be eating.
Incredible.
Where will that turn? How will that go? People want sugar-free. Some brothers there's someone who we know could use some sugar-free too, so we can feed some of that. But generally speaking, just as an example, you can't listen to everybody because sugar-free, you go into the supermarket, there'll be some stuff there. What is it? It's ice cream in the soup. Like the examples that you were asking me, if you look in those, then there's a lot of them. I'm not saying there's not. There's a lot of action in those freezers. Ice cream is the #1 dessert frozen category. There's a lot of action. Unfortunately, the two biggest guys control all of it. So you're going to be like a puppet if you go in there. But you won't see much sugar-free. You'll see some, but it's ice cream. You'll see some of the other stuff, the keto, the whatever, but it's ice cream. Ice cream dominates because ice cream is the best tasting, and that's what people are looking for in the end when they want to indulge. They want something that's good, and that's our formula. Our formula is not just good. Our formula is it's going to take you places. You understand? It's going to take you to like Elon Musk is doing that. I have some guy, unbelievable column. He compared us to. Called us the Elon Musk of ice cream. Like, the idea is to go to the moon. You want to go to the moon. What I'm saying? I don't care to go into a rocket ship to go to the moon, but I'd love to get a camera up there and get some views from the moon. You know what I'm saying? But you want to be adventurous. You want to, go on that adventure where you're away somewhere. And however it is, even if it is just being in my shop. But when you're in my shop and you take this, that's the beauty is now you take my shop with you and it's going in your freezer. Like Joseph was saying, he wants always a pint in there. That's the key.